My love, can you believe it? We're in the surfing mecca of South Africa, Jeffreys Bay.
My goodness.
And we can't even surf.
Ach man, don't worry about that. We can travel to the most amazing places.
And today is no exception.
No exception.
Great place.
Let's show them.
Yeah.
Welcome to Dolphin Outlook Guesthouse. Let me show you inside.
And what an amazing apartment this is.
Yes. It takes your breath away.
I love the view.
Ja, very nice.
Show us, Mama, show us.
Kom, okay. So kom ons begin sommer by die kombuis.
Okay.
Yes. A nice, good-sized kitchen.
And before we go anywhere, I just see something
Notch,
here.
notch. Wink, wink.
Noemzaan, papi, Noemzaan. And
Sjoe.
monsters, thank you very much, Willem.
Baie dankie Willem.
Ja,
Jy
very
kan
nice.
reël, nee. En nogals die regte brand.
I'm telling you. Mama, I see a lot of stuff here.
Yes. Okay, so let's start. This nice marble counters. Pots and pan for
my
cooking.
Goodness, that is, Mama, you're going to make some food tonight.
Oh, let me close it immediately. Okay, and then there's a braaibak for
lekker,
you. There's
braaibak.
a pan. There's a snackwitcher.
Okay.
Very nice. And then they've got all the cutlery, like usual.
A whole lot.
All
So you
the
don't have to bring anything,
utensils.
yeah? Everything
No,
is here.
Everything is here. Then you've got some glasses that side.
Okay, wow, yeah.
That's
nice
not all.
Wine glasses, yeah.
That's not all. The rest of the glasses for brandies in here.
Mama, you can just reach up there.
And beer.
Beer
Yes.
glasses and brandy glasses and okay,
Yeah.
lekker.
So you sorted.
Yeah, we sorted.
Yeah. This side is the cups for tomorrow morning when you make us some nice
I'm gonna
coffee.
sit on that stoop tomorrow morning. Watch the ocean.
Yeah.
Lekker. Jeffreys Bay, papi.
Yes,
Jeffreys Bay.
and I like it. The people always give you a choice.
Yeah, the
It's
hood
all the
hood.
hood or you do
Yeah.
the electricity, eh?
And I know you like the color as well.
Yes, nice color. There's the hob and the stove, so you can make a lot of food. But you not actually have to make food because all around you.
Is a lot of restaurants. I saw as we
Yes,
came in, a
a
lot of
lot.
restaurants. Maybe we'll go and walk around later on.
Yes,
It's
and-
raining. It's raining outside, but as soon as the rain
Yeah.
goes
This
away.
winter must stop now.
Yeah, so that we can walk around a bit.
Yes, and enjoy the sun.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got a dishwasher. You've got a washing machine.
Sure.
Very nice.
Very nice, huh?
Yeah, they
This is
leave you bottled water to drink if you want
Nice.
to have some water. There's all the
So my love, you don't.
morkies.
So you don't need to use this area here.
No, you don't have to.
I mean, you.
No, me.
Almost tomorrow morning, I must wash the dishes.
What? You want it to snow now?
Like a big fridge freezer.
Yeah, and a microwave.
Microwave.
There's a toaster down there. I saw in one of the
so
cupboards.
everything you need.
Very big. Very nice. Yeah.
Everything is like a beach feeling here.
Yeah, beach.
Ocean feeling.
theme.
Yeah, beach
Big
theme,
beach
yeah.
theme.
That's the word I was
Yeah.
looking for.
So here you can have a
Okay.
nice dinner if it's cold outside.
And it's going to be cold out tonight.
Yes.
It's still raining.
So this is what I like about apartments like this. You know, don't feel cramped when it's
Yeah, it's
raining.
nice and big, yeah.
And you can still see the beach
Yeah.
from here.
Let me show you then. Have a look here. I'm going to just go closer, otherwise the camera won't focus. And it's very grey today. But there's the ocean. It's very close. Oh, you want me to go out?
Yes.
Okay.
We've got a stoopie. There's some camp
cold.
stools you can put outside if you want to sit here.
Yeah.
This is a big gas.
No,
burn-
that's just a table. But
Oh.
yeah, they've got a small little gas bryer here. So we're going to braai on this tonight.
And
love-
look how
There's a little
great
light,
is
little
this?
light as well. Yeah,
Yes,
you're going
to
to have to
check
help
if
me with
it's-
this one. But
Yes.
you know what? We're only going to make burgers tonight, so that's actually quite nice.
Yeah.
That's quite fine now.
Yes.
Um,
I think I give you a small braai because you're staying in Jeffreys Bay between all these nice restaurants. So use the restaurants.
yeah. And
Yeah.
it's apparently it's amazing restaurants.
Yeah, they've got good food.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
look at the little boat.
Yeah, this is very nice.
Oh,
It's
cool.
like you can put books and everything in here, but this is a beach theme, as we said.
My love, and look at this nice big screen TV. And the rugby is on, puppy. The rugby is on.
Yeah, and it's
they've got
DStv.
DStv. Yeah,
Yes,
DStv.
they've got full Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. Look at the nice
Beachy.
beachy feeling again.
Yeah. They've got new lounge seats here.
Lekker.
Yeah, it's nice
love-
and comfortable.
Tonight is going to be wet and cold outside, so we're going to sit there. Mama and Papa gaan daar 'n bietjie sit.
Ek gaan daar op die bank lê by jou.
Oh.
Yeah, I like this because it's nice and open.
Feels open, yeah.
Yeah, like
feels
an open plan.
Yeah. Before you go to the rooms, go in here.
I just wanted
Oh,
to say.
okay.
Let's
They've
see
got a
this.
very nice sun room.
A sun deck. I
It's
mean,
a chill area.
yeah,
Huh?
I will spend all my time
Wow,
in this
This is very nice.
Hey?
Huh? Look at this.
Sit hier lekker.
Mama, we can sit here tonight and watch the
Yeah,
ocean.
that's what I'm
And
saying.
eat here, yeah.
So
okay, it's going to be
nice.
dark tonight, but still, it's big waves, eh?
And
Yo.
this place got lots of big windows that you can open.
Yeah.
So you can breathe in the
The fresh air.
Yeah.
Oh, so these can all open?
Yeah,
Let me just see.
all of them.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Oh, wow. So now we're outside.
Yeah.
Lekker, man. Huh. But damn, it's grey and cold outside. It's winter, puppy. It's winter. It must be cold and wet.
And if you're so cold, you can go to that Mexican restaurant. I'm just notching it with my eyes. They've got hot stuff that you can order to make you hot.
There were the lights, those lights there.
Yeah, the Mexican.
Ah, lekker. Okay.
Yeah, so here you can enjoy yourself.
Wow, and there's enough chairs here for everybody.
Yeah.
It's a 4-sleep apartment, this
Yes,
one.
two
Yeah.
bedrooms and what's amazing, 2 bathrooms.
Oh, yeah. lekker.
Every room has got its own bathroom.
Oh, Mama, look at this. This is like my grandma's trousseau.
Ja, dit is die ou wakes wat die
wakes.
boere op hierdie ossewaas gehad het, nee?
Stunning.
Ja.
Okay, and there's another little bootjie there.
I like the
I like
beach
it.
theme.
And this side, oh, this is obviously. It's also everything is closed up. This is the rooms. So
Yeah.
the rooms got their own little stoep.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay, lekker. Right, let's go and have a look at the rooms.
Okay. There's a heater. We're going to use that tonight.
Sure, it's cold, man.
This is the first bedroom. A nice big, I think it's a queen bed.
Either your guest bedroom or.
I think guest
the
bedroom
friends.
because you always pick the big room for yourself and that's still coming.
Look, this is also a beach theme.
Yes,
Huh?
I like it.
Yeah, I like it as well.
Very nice. There's a little nookie
Little-
where you can do your makeup and
Yeah,
all
okay.
those. And there's ample space.
Lots of cupboards.
Lots of cupboards.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, lekker.
Lots
Even
of-
drawers.
Yeah, and extra bedding. If you're cold, you can just take out extra
Oh, this is
bedding
cool,
there.
huh?
Very cool.
Look at the pedals.
Yeah.
You can eat me tonight.
Oring.
Mama, tonight I'm yours.
Hey, okay.
Vat my, maak my joune.
Oh my hell. Okay, and
Okay, let's do this one first. This is the
the
bathroom.
bathroom.
This is the guest bathroom.
This
or
is the guest bathroom.
Yeah.
A very big size bathroom with a shower and a bath.
Yeah, both.
Yes, both. And you've got this basin.
Round basin, nice.
Daar water kyk en so. and
The potty,
and the
potty's
potty
closed.
and a lot
All
of
of the
towels
towels. Yeah.
and toilet paper extra.
Nice,
Very
nice.
nice.
Mama, there's the fish. I don't know if there's any
Fishes in
fishing
the bowl.
rods, but I'm gonna have to catch that one. That's gonna go well with the burgers tonight.
Oh, okay. Fish and burgers. That's a combo.
And then
And
our
this
room.
is the famous playroom.
Oh, puppy. It's gonna be cold. You better. I hope this bed isn't too big. It doesn't look like it. Eh?
Now, I think it's also a queen. Very
oh, my love,
nice
look at this.
size.
They've gave us some
Lekker
chockies.
chocolates. Ek is so juist lus vir 'n chocolaatjie is
Like a
honger.
lunch barkie. Thank you.
The towels and then there's a rack for your clothes if you want to hang out wet clothes.
Yeah,
you can
but
do
we're
that
only here
outside.
for one evening,
Yeah,
so it's not gonna. We're
It's
not
not
gonna
gonna
wash.
happen.
No, we're not gonna wash anything.
a little.
And the beach feel is coming through again.
Yes, everywhere.
Sure. Also nice big cupboard this side.
Yeah. And there's my vanity. I've got a nice hair dryer. I can see it's a nice and strong one.
Yeah, like a big mirror.
Yes.
This is
And
actually
some
quite a nice
more
room. Huh?
cupboards. Yeah, nice. And if you stand here, you can
You
also
can
see the beach.
And you can lie on the bed and see the waves at the back there.
Yes, very
Okay,
nice.
lekker.
Yeah,
If it's not so gloomy outside.
gloomy. Some more cupboards with extra bedding inside.
Ah.
And
Mama,
then-
hold this camera, please. I want to check something. I can see this is not going to work for me. But you know what?
You're gonna take a bath.
I'm gonna do it like this tomorrow.
Oh, sexy
Yeah.
moves.
Thank you, sexy moves, Mama. We've been married for 31 years. You can't say I'm still sexy.
Hey,
huh?
stop it.
Okay,
Okay,
there's
so-
another basin there.
yeah, another
lekker ou
basin and
mirror.
Toilet and then a little vanity.
Everything you need.
Everything you need. Yeah.
Okay. Lekker. So if you want a bath, you go to the other one.
Yes, that's where you'll find me tomorrow morning again.
My love, but now I want to taste that Monster and Numzaan.
Yeah, because my mouth is so dry, I can't get the words out.
Yeah, I want to taste if the Numzaan in Jeffreys Bay
It's the same.
tastes the same as the one in our area.
I'm so sure
Huh?
it will.
Sure, I feel like just going this one now without
Yeah.
ice, but I'm
Ye-
first gonna go and get my ice. We
This
must
is
have-
nice, coffee, tea, sugar, everything.
Yeah, but we
Tea
must still
bags.
unpack.
Yes.
And we're on the second floor.
Yeah.
It's on the second floor, but there's 2 lifts.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna carry everything into the lift.
Yeah, if you park down under, you can park very near to the lift and just put everything in.
You see where I park?
So,
Right
teen aan nou, boetie,
right
teen
next to the
aan.
lift. There's no sweating for me today.
Yeah.
Mama decided to help me. Look at this. There's the two elevators.
Bling,
Lifts.
bling, bling.
Ding, ding, ding. And you just walk out here. Oh, and you've got tags.
Oh, shiver.
What? That's not us. You've got tags to go everywhere. And if the tag doesn't work, you're screwed. It's the wrong tag.
Oh, goodness.
That's the right one. I say.
Oh, gatos.
I don't know
No.
why there's 2 tags.
Yeah.
And this is the garage, and this is where I parked.
Safe and secure.
Safe and secure. Look at this. It's a nice big garage. Apparently, December month it gets quite busy here. Quite full, yeah. So, because that's a very popular
Yeah.
time of year to come here.
And the area.
Yeah.
I'll stay here.
Surfers, all the
So
surfers.
nice. And there's no frustration of a lot of cars driving because you can walk everywhere.
Yeah, that's the nice thing about Jeffreys Bay. You walk
Yes,
everywhere.
Yes.
Cool.
And there's a nice, there's just around the corner here, there's a Billabong City where you can
Are we going to do some
shopping.
Huh? Luckily it's raining. We can't walk there.
Ah, cool,
My love,
cool,
let's
cool.
unpack.
Wel, 'n beter uitsig as die kan jy nie kry nie.
Yes, amazing, huh? If this place is so nice in the winter, can you imagine
Summer.
what this is going to be like in the summer?
You'll open up all these
everything.
windows down to
The
there.
whole day will be
Ooh,
open, and it's
nice.
just and it's people all over you and girls on the beach and men with
Speedos.
ripped bodies.
Ja. Jy moet begin oefen, boetie.
Oh, puppy. You know how I practice? I practice my arms.
Yes.
You
yes.
see?
That's also necessary.
Drinking.
Very necessary.
Willem, weer eens bye dankie. Dankie vir jou gasvryheid, dankie vir jou vriendelikheid, dankie vir die gesels van Netto. Jy's nog ons 'n ou wat
'n Great mens.
'n great mens en jy's nog ons 'n ou wat baie kennisse het, hè?
Ja, ja.
Dis 'n ou om te ken hierdie.
Ja, definitief.
Cheers, kom ons luister hoe klink hy.
Ooh.
Numzaan, papi,
Never
Numzaan.
disappoint.
Numzaan, Simon's vlei. All the way. And I'm going to gooi 'n
Nee,
rowwe in.
wat the
Hey, it was
hell?
a long drive.
I don't believe that. Stop it.
I'm sure
O nee, o
It's
jette.
a thin glass at the bottom.
What are we doing tonight again? Roaming the
We're
streets.
just going to be... Oh, I hear there's a dance place just over
O,
there.
okay, maar gooi maar.
We might go and have a dancey.
Ja.
Huh? Sure. This is going to be a lekker doppie.
Ek kan nie glo jy gooi so baie
But
van
I
daai in.
deserve this one. It was a long
Hoe sê ons
drive.
altyd that's going to be a sittertjie. Not a
Oh.
sittertjie, a sitter.
This is going to be a lekker sit. This wasn't even a skietjie. This was a couple of skietjies.
I know that's a half a bottle.
No man, look at that. It's a thin glass. You're not even going to taste it.
I hope so.
Cheers, my love.
I want to taste it.
And thank you for you guys watching the videos. Thank you for bringing us to these nice places. Otherwise, I just told her, this is the second time we only came to Jeffreys Bay. We've only been
11
here once.
years ago.
11 years ago we were here once.
And my, did it change?
And it changed. It's actually bigger now, huh? It's
A lot.
developed a lot.
As I
yeah.
said, a lot of restaurants, coffee shops, malls.
A lot. Meniscus, papi. Meniscus.
Bing.
I'm gonna morse.
Para para boom. Cheers.
Cheers. Lekker ene.
Ja nee, ek proef vir hom. Hy gaan vir jou slat, daai groot pad gaan jou velle aftrek vanaand.
Oh, Janie verjaar. Oh, is lekker. Oh my goodness. I've been looking forward to this thing. I'm telling you. I feel it now. It burns down here.
Ek sou sê.
And I'm going to have a lekker droeworsie from Hectic Biltong. Thank you, Mama.
Pleasure.
Thanks for bringing my own product with. We are on our way to Kirkwood Wildsfees.
Very excited.
Yeah, very excited. So this is just a stopover, one night.
Yeah, first we're going to PE.
Yes, we're going to PE and then we're taking a party bus.
Yeah, we're
To
very
the festival.
responsible this year.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, we're taking a bus, a party bus,
I'm looking
from
forward to
PE the morning 9 o'clock.
And we brought our Numzan cups.
For the bus.
Those coffee cups with a brandy in it
Yeah.
for the bus.
Because why? You may not have glass on the bus.
Yeah, so it works out fine.
Simon's Fleisch sorted us with
Yeah,
that bottle,
with
that
the cups.
glasses, yeah.
The cups, yeah.
The cups.
We just take the Coke with,
Yeah.
plastic bottle Coke.
Yeah.
I don't know, it
And
must
there
be
you
a
go.
cold Coke because I'm not going to take ice with. We just
No,
buy
yeah.
we buy a cold Coke.
So let's see if we can do the whole night from 9 to 12:30.
Well, of course we're going to do it. And we hope to see a lot of you guys there. I know this video only comes out after the festival. Then you would have met us already. But we're hoping for a lot of people. To just come and have a drink with us or just say hi or just rub shoulders.
Yeah, Jeffreys Bay is a very interesting place.
Lots to do.
Yes, the owner of Dolphin Outlook leave all these pamphlets for you inside. So you'll never be bored.
Okay.
Yeah, pick one and do it.
But there's lots to do here.
Yeah, there's all
There's
around.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Okay. But you need a week to be here. We're only here for one night, so
Yeah, that's now
yeah,
not.
that's a pity. And it's raining
Yeah.
outside. We can't even go to the beach. Although it looks like it's clearing up a little bit. I don't
Yeah.
know. Huh?
Yes, it looks like.
Maybe we take a
Beter
night
weer.
walk. Maybe we take a night walk when it's not cold and rainy outside. My life, hier sit ons nog steeds, hè?
Op dieselfde plek vasgeanker.
Net hier.
Ja, want
Want
in the spur of the moment we decided to go to the
Spur! We wanted to make some nice food tonight and show you a new recipe that we found. Oh, you smoking? I can also smoke. Julle? Okay,
Baby
look at this. Look at
chocolates.
this. This bottle is almost half. This is a crazy evening. But we can change things. Huh? We can change
in the spur of a
in the
moment.
spur of the moment. We've got plans and then sometimes
Rudely we get interrupted
sometimes we just get
by
interrupted. and-
Noemzaan.
Yeah, we just get interrupted and we just change the plans.
Yeah, we
Huh?
just go like with the flow.
So we've been sitting here. We haven't got a hot tub tonight, but this was actually quite nice
But
as
if
well.
you look very closely, you'll see the big hot tub.
That's a cold
Oh,
tub.
cold plunge.
A cold tub. But this was such a nice evening.
It feels like we're sitting in a restaurant on the top floor. We look down on the people passing and all
I was just sending a friend of mine WhatsApp, and I said, it feels like we're sitting in Thailand
Yeah.
on the second
roof
floor
bar.
on a rooftop bar,
Yeah,
looking down on the people.
yeah.
It's passing. It just feels the same.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Wow, what a nice
But
night.
yeah, I'm sorry. We will do the nice burger.
Smoke finish.
Mama, wat
Eet
rook
hom
ons?
op.
Wat rook ons?
Eet vir chocolates op.
We will do the nice burger because it's actually quite a nice burger patty that we were supposed to make
Yeah,
tonight.
stay tuned for the next
We
video.
will do it in the next video. I promise you. We will do it in the next. You must see this. It's crazy. It's nice.
Yeah.
But tonight, she wants spur
Eieringe.
eieringe, the onion rings. That's what she wants. So I'm gonna give my wife the onion rings.
Yeah, what they say, happy wife, happy life.
Mama, cheers. I keep you happy all the time. So
I
tonight
know.
you're gonna get onion rings.
This
Spur
Jeff,
onion rings. We're gonna take the
Hit the road.
Hit the roads and
Jack.
we're gonna see if we can find the spur. I don't know where the spur is.
I'll guide you.
This camera is like right in my eye.
Yeah.
I know there's a spur here.
I
will
know.
Will you lock for us? Get the key, lock. My love, I think the people at the spur ain't ready for us.
No, I don't think so.
They're not ready for us.
I hope they're not
I
closed
will,
yet.
I will put the key in my pocket.
Okay.
Just remember I've got it.
Put it
right?
in here. It's
My
like
bad.
I've got deep pockets.
I love that Noemzaan.
Yeah.
Just took me to a different level. I'm actually looking forward to this now.
Actually, we
this
must
is gonna be
ask
quite
them
nice.
for the recipe because there's something in there that is amazing.
Stop it, stop it. I'm actually looking forward. We're going down, eh?
Down.
I'm looking forward to this evening. This is going to be lekker.
Ja, lekker.
I hope we've got a nice waiter because I want to... Ek wil gat skeer met die waiter.
Die kan.
This side. Huh?
Kom by totaal.
Yeah, see, I can't even get the English words, but I want to scare gat with the waiter.
We're going ground.
Yeah, number? Where are we going? Ground.
No, we're not going to go to the basin.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Ground.
We'll see you in the road.
We're grounded.
Mama, it still feels like Thailand, this,
Yeah.
huh? With all the cars and all the activities. This place is busy.
They say this is one of the nice restaurants, Savoy. It sounds
Savoy.
like Savoy sounds like my goodness.
Gordon Ramsay.
Savoy is
Savoy
his.
was one of
Yeah,
these
yeah.
restaurants, you're right.
Yes.
But Savoy, this is a hotel.
Yeah, they've got a hotel and a restaurant.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Pub and grill.
Yeah,
you can
see.
go there as well.
No, I'm going to go.
You want to go to the Spur?
It's
People,
raining.
this lady loves the Spur. And we're only going for the underring. Oh, you're only going to take an underring?
No, I'm going to eat like lekker.
Okay,
Mense?
okay, these people are driving like crazy. Are you only going to eat the onion ring plate or are you going
No.
to eat something else as well?
Something else.
Amal, check out this water, huh?
Yeah, don't step in it.
Jeez.
Come.
Okay, you go over here. Go there. Jeez. I'm telling you, this winter is wet. It is wet.
And cold.
Come on, this is the. You see, it's not open now.
Oh,
This is the
It's
place
on
where
the-
they dance.
I hear the music.
Yeah, but it's a pool bar.
Oh.
They play pool there.
Okay, we're gonna go there.
Yeah, see, this is the place where they dance.
And what we have the
Yeah,
live
it's-
music
It's not
and
open
stuff.
tonight. It's going to be open Saturday night. But Saturday night we're going to be at the festival.
Yes.
Lekker. I can't wait. I'm so looking forward to that.
Billy's Bong Shop.
Billy's Bong Shop.
Yeah, look at
Oh,
that.
you just see all the bad stuff.
It's just like it's
Hey, you must walk straight.
JB.
You must walk straight.
It's 'n ding gangetjie man.
People are sitting in the cars and they're watching us. They
So
think,
what?
what is wrong with these people? This is the Greek restaurant.
Yes.
We can go here as well.
Yeah.
You sure you want to go to the Spur? I see the Spur. Down there, right down there.
Let's see.
There's
There's
the
a lot
spur.
of people sitting here, so it must be great.
It's full, huh?
Yeah. So let's just go down.
Yeah, it's full, it's full, it's full. There's no chairs left here.
Yes,
Wow.
maar die mense kyk lekker.
It's full. People are drinking wine. Huh? This is a nice place. I love Jeffrey's Bay. I love it.
It's a nightlife.
Do you smell it? Do you smell it?
I get it.
You get it, huh? I smell it as well. Oh my word.
I'm gonna get it
And
now.
I know this is why you like the Spur. It's just
You
because
can
of the
smell
smell.
them. You don't know where they're sitting or they're located, but
Yeah.
you smell them.
Oh, this is crazy. People, this is a crazy
Is
evening.
dit nou bo en onder?
What?
Die spur.
Yeah, we're gonna go up here.
Onder. Times Square. It's Times Square. Oh my goodness, we're
Times
in
Square.
another land.
Are we in America?
Ja.
Oh, I hope they've got onion rings. You think they've got onion rings? I don't think they've got onion rings. Hello, hello.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Wat sit jy af?
Yeah, niks. Let's get a table, puppy. Let's get a table.
$2.
Ja, that one will be fine. Kijk hier zo, ons kan nie eens in die Spur loop en nou wil die mense saam met ons kuier. Kom sit, kom sit, kom sit. Is julle van waar is julle?
Van hier.
Baie
Dit is
maar,
baie.
ek daar so
Ek werk daai kant.
O, okay.
As ek net 'n biertjie wil gaan drink, dan moet ek seers toe.
Ons is lekker om julle te ontmoet.
Ag, dankie vir julle antwoord. Ek gaan nou vir hom gaan kuier. Dis hoekom ek gekyk het wat daai kant aangaan en watse plek is daar en dis hoe ek julle videoetjie daar sou
Okay,
sien.
okay.
Cheers. How nice was it to meet those people, huh?
Yeah.
That was so cool.
It's so nice to see all the people on the other
I
side.
love it when people come and say hi.
Yeah.
I just love it.
Yeah.
It just makes me crazy.
Ja, dat is so gemakkelijk.
I can't believe the world is so small.
Ja,
But
ja.
anyway, cheers. We're
Cheers.
drinking. This is not. I just want to say, this is not BC wines.
Because
is
nothing tops BC
Nothing
wines.
tops BC wines. This is
As 'n suur enetjie.
Sure, this is definitely not BC wines.
Yeah, I know you love BC wines.
But this one, I'll get used to it.
Yeah.
You said after the second or the third bottle, this
After the third bottle, it smaakt lekker. Check out the onion
check out
rings.
the onion rings. My goodness, you like the onion rings. That's why we're here. It's just because of the onion rings. And
Not really.
I've also got onion rings. You see there?
Yep.
And
I
I've
just
got a
love-
rib.
I just love the spur patties. Let's check, do a test and see if it's medium rare.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Ooh, it is
It's
medium
not
rare.
medium. It's medium. It's not medium to rare,
But
but
it's
it's medium.
medium.
We
Okay.
asked for medium to rare.
It's gonna be
But
succulent.
Mama, I'm gonna enjoy this rib. Excuse us. We are going to eat now.
And we're not gonna film it because we're gonna eat lelik.
Morsa. Morsa. My love, how nice was that? Huh?
Whoa.
Jessie, you know, you always go to the Spur and you think, why do I go to the Spur? It's so freaking nice. That patty of yours
Yo.
was so smoky and nice. The ribs melted in my mouth. I won't say it was the best ribs. It was
Second best.
second best. Mama, it feels like we're walking through Muizenberg with all these
Ijsiekies.
look,
The color.
Jeffrey's Bay tourism
Ja, ja.
information.
He's a surf school.
Surf school.
Ja.
Wavecrest Surf School. There's so many of these little places here.
Sticks.
Huh? This is
Shoppies.
amazing.
Shellcrafts and curious.
I'm telling you, I think if you come here for December or
Oh, wow.
a summer vacation,
Yes.
this will be amazing. Okay, let's just go. I know it's very dark.
Yes, it's very
People won't
dark.
see it, but let's just go in here. Just look at the beach. Oh, you won't see it. But anyway, we're gonna go down here.
Listen, ek het myself vaak geëet. Ek
Nou,
wil nie
is
nou
jy vaak?
baie stappie.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this big beach. Oh my.
And they call it Dolphin Beach.
word. This is Dolphin Beach.
Dolphin Beach.
That is why we're staying at Dolphin
Outlook.
Outlook.
Yep.
This is Dolphin Beach.
Ooh, môre
is
gaan mooi weer
amazing.
wees. Hier kom die sterretjies.
Tomorrow we're gonna have a nice day.
Ja.
But unfortunately, we're gonna have to leave tomorrow. Mama, you go first. Woo. Papa, jy moet loop, jy moet loop. Oh,
Wow, wow.
whoa. Slow
Ons
down.
Uber. Ons Uber.
Slow down,
Is
slow
hy
down.
hier?
This is amazing.
Cold.
Look at this, a massive beach. Huh? I haven't been here ever on this beach. This is crazy. I love finding new places. Not that this is a new place. It's just a new place for us.
Ja.
Huh? Jeez.
Trek maar as nou koud.
Oh, I was wrong.
Yes.
It wasn't our building.
No, no.
There's our building.
I'm sure you're wrong again. I know you're wrong again.
Papi is bietjie die mekaar
Wow,
vanaand.
daai is want
Oh,
hier-
there's our
Ja,
building.
ja.
There's our, that one with the
Yes.
green.
Yes. We're just
There.
on top of the green.
With the green. Papi is baie die mekaar vanaand.
Yep.
Woe, Noemzaan. Noemzaan
Hy
en
slat
wat?
vir papi die mekaar.
Noemzaan en the combination isn't good.
No.
It's not good. Mama, we must just go up this road
Yep.
and we will find our accommodation.
Yes.
But that was quite a nice evening. I loved it, huh?
Who's in our building?
What? Is there somebody there?
No, I'm joking.
Oh, I just wanted to say, listen, people, we're going to say good night now. We will see you tomorrow morning. Definitely, we're going to have a walkie on the beach.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
We're going to have a coffee and a walk on the beach if the weather is better. But we'll see you tomorrow
The
morning.
stars is shining already.
I see the stars, yeah.
Yep.
Maybe tomorrow is better. I'll show you some drone shots tomorrow morning when it's nice
But
and
look at that
clear.
big apartment we're staying in.
Yeah, look at that. That is amazing. Look at that.
Amazing.
I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. But this is a big building
Just above the green.
and just above the beach. Cheers. See you tomorrow. Bye. Morning, my love.
Yes.
Who's it? How's the head?
It is alright.
Oh, I don't feel that great.
Hi, man.
I feel a little bit onder die prop, huh?
I'm so sorry for you.
Oh, What a great evening.
Yeah,
Yes.
I told you when that glasses were filled like this with a little bit of mix.
Yeah, it caught up to me.
Jy
But I
soek
think,
vir moeilikheid, papi.
I think it was the wine in the spur. It wasn't the Numzani.
Okay. Whatever floats your boat.
Yeah, but anyway, look at this. At least it's not raining today. It's a better day. It's not cold, but it's still cloudy.
It's very nice. There's about 5 surfers in the water already.
Yeah, I saw them, yeah.
Yeah, there's one passing by. He's already catched all the waves.
But anyway, my love, nice place, huh? What a
Yo,
great
wow.
place. I would recommend this place for any vacation.
Yes.
If you 4 people,
Yeah.
my word.
Actually, it's a playground for children.
Yeah.
With a super tube.
Super
and-
tube just down here.
Yeah, and a lot of kiosks having donuts and ice cream and all that
Did you see
stuff.
that dough full
Oh my
last night?
goodness. Don't even speak about it. This place is so convenient. It's got a little convenience store downstairs with eggs and whatever you need, ice. And there's a nice bakery selling very nice
The
goods.
smells
Yeah.
of that bakery is
There's a
crazy.
laundry if you want to wash the bedding or do something.
But you've got a
You've got a washing
Washing machine here as well, yeah.
Yeah, and if you wanted ironing, take it downstairs. There's a ironing board inside, but I'm not going to do that much of difficult work. Yeah, and then if you're hungry,
many restaurants.
yes,
Great restaurants.
all in walking distance.
Yeah, we actually saw last night when we came back. We saw a lot more on that side as well.
Yeah, we only touched a little bit.
But that's time to go. But
Yeah.
anyway, if you want to book this place for a weekend, for a December holiday, for any time, you can book them on booking.com, Lekker Slaap, Airbnb,
Yeah, or the best thing is to phone this number
up here.
directly from the owner.
Yes, yes, contact her.
Always better.
I'll put the name and the number up here.
Yes.
Yeah. Mama, that's it then. Huh?
Yeah.
I'm
just
leaving.
an absolutely amazing place in the middle center of everywhere
it's
you want
just
to be.
so convenient.
And if you don't want to wash your clothes, there's a billabong shop just there.
You can go and buy some.
Cheap. Cheap, cheap, cheap.
Okay, then it's a sad goodbye from Jeffrey's Bay. Huh? Oh. But stay tuned. Next week, Sunday, I'm going to show you a bonus video of our time at the Kirkwood Wildfees. We're going to go there tomorrow.
It's going to be epic.
I'm looking forward to that, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So we'll see you there. Okay, right, cheers,
Bye.
bye.